you taping us? Shut your door.
Whoa. Look at that. That's a pretty dress. And some pretty shoes.
Want to make a video of me walking?
Yes.
Here, Dad, take off that.
Okay. Ready?
Come on, go. Molly did?
No, Mommy, take off my sweater.
Molly made you fall?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He wants to see me walking.
Oh.
Okay, I'll start over here.
Okay. Dad, that's so pretty.
Stop again.
Really?
Can I see a video now?
Yeah.
Sure, where are we going to play with it?
Can I see?
Right over there? Go over there.
Can I see?
Go back there.
No, I want to see. I want to see the video. Dad, stop. I want to see a
Okay, go sit
video.
on there. I'll open it for you.
And that's a potato.
Yeah? Deb, what happened when you climbed in a chair today?
I fell.
Okay.
You got fell?
I fell off a chair.
Really? Did you hurt yourself? Did you cry?
Nope.
Deb, that's such a pretty dress.
Can I
Pretty
see
shoes.
it?